Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be in New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem. Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.